Working with Esri Geodatabase files and see GDBTABLE files in the folder. These are the core data storage files for ArcGIS File Geodatabases. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these geodatabase table files are and how to access the data inside. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted GDBTABLE files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. GDBTABLE files are table storage files within an Esri ArcGIS File Geodatabase. They contain the actual data records for feature classes and attribute tables, including geometry data attribute fields and index information. Each GDBTABLE file represents one table in the geodatabase, accompanied by index and metadata companion files. ArcGIS GDBTABLE files use a proprietary binary format with fixed-length record headers and variable-length field data, supporting geometry types, including points, lines, polygons, and multipatches. Companion GDBTABLX files store spatial and attribute indexes for fast query performance. Technically, the best program for GDBTABLE is usually Esri ArcGIS Pro from Esri. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows provides only limited insight, so interpreting the data requires specialized database applications. We're going to check the compatibility list systematically. Right-click your GDBTABLE file, then click Open with, test Esri ArcGIS Pro if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Persistence is crucial here. When your GDBTABLE file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Dealing with a truly persistent GDBTABLE file, let's execute these quick diagnostic tests on the most likely points of failure. First, opening an ArcGIS Pro. Open the parent GDB folder as a file geodatabase in ArcGIS Pro by adding it through the catalog pane. Right-click the GDB folder and select Add to Project. Browse the geodatabase contents to access individual feature classes and tables. Do not open GDBTABLE files directly, as they must be accessed through the geodatabase container. Next, using QGIS as alternative, open the file Geodatabase in QGIS by using Layer, then Add, Layer, then Add, Vector Layer, and browsing to the GDB folder. QGIS reads Esri File Geodatabases through the GDAL-OGR driver and displays all accessible feature classes and tables with geometry and attribute data on the map canvas. Finally, extracting data. Export data from the geodatabase to portable formats using ArcGIS Pro or QGIS. In ArcGIS Pro, right-click a feature class and select Export Features to save as shapefile GeoJSON or CSV. In QGIS, right-click the loaded layer and select Export Save Features, as to convert to your preferred GIS data format. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.